Hello everyone, welcome back to Cooking with Donna. I am so sorry I've missed y'all. I've been sick with a cough and my husband has been sick, the grandbabies have been sick, and I'm still sick, but we got to eat. So let's jump in. Today we are making up some chili dogs and I'm going to be making up some homemade chili dog sauce. It's very simple ingredients that we normally have on hand. And it's much better than that stuff you get in the can. I mean, ain't nothing wrong with the stuff in the can. I grew up eating it too. But if you got the stuff on hand and you can make it, go ahead and make you up a batch of this. It's really good. And in my pan, everything you need for this is in the description box, okay? I have a couple of tablespoons of oil there and a good packed cup of some really chopped onion. And we are going to cook these as soon as it starts heating up. Forgot to turn it on. But we're going to cook these until they get nice and soft and brown a little bit. Helps them get a little bit sweet. So we're going to cook those and just until they get nice and soft. Okay, now that's how they should look. See there, we got like some fried onions. That's flavor. Good flavor. I know a lot of us out there are out there on the grill already, huh? Waiting for summer? Not me. I'm waiting for winter. Right, Rocky?
Yep.
Both of us. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and put our tomato paste, not sauce. We're doing tomato paste. This is some really good chili dog sauce, y'all. It really is. I mean, at least you know what's going in it, right? I know a lot of us say that, but it's true. You know what you're putting in your food. All right. Now I have very well chopped garlic. Good sized tablespoon. And we're just going to let this cook for maybe 2 minutes, okay? Okay, that's been cooking a little over 2 minutes. Okay? And I do have this on medium heat. Now I'm going to add in my beef broth. Now you can use no sodium or low sodium beef broth. You control your salt. We'll get that added in there. And it's very easy. Now here's the other part. This goes in just like that. This is lean. I think this is 93% lean ground beef, a pound. And you're going to break that all off. You want it lean. You don't want a bunch of grease in there. And we'll add our spices. Now, you can break this up because it breaks up pretty easy. Just get it all broken up, and that's how you get that really fine texture in your chili dog sauce. This is exactly how they do it. And it'll cook in here. And I'm going to let this come to a boil. I'm going to get all of that meat chopped all up and separated. And we're going to let this come to a boil, which it just about is. And we're going to put the lid on this and let it do its thing. Let this meat get tender and those spices cook into that meat for at least 20 minutes to a half hour. Go ahead and get your lid on there. And once that comes to a boil, which mine is fixing to, go ahead and cover it. Let it hang out. Turn it on medium-low. And then we'll remove that lid. That way we'll finish letting the chili cook. All right. Okay, this has been simmering away for maybe a half hour. Now we're going to remove that lid And you're going to cook this just until however thick you want it. And if you think it's getting too thick, but it hasn't cooked long enough, I want it to cook, just add some more water. I wouldn't go no more beef stock because it's salted. I ended up tasting this. I added about 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt because my broth, beef broth, was salted. So you adjust it accordingly, you know, to your preference there. So I'm going to let this cook. I like mine thick, which this is probably going to cook another maybe half hour. And just a gentle boil, but take that lid off. All right. Okay, here's our chili dog sauce. Now this is how thick we like it. Now, like I said, if you like it thinner, just don't cook it as long. But this is how we like it. That way it doesn't fall off your hot dog. But a lot of people like it, you know, more thin. But we're going to get some hot dogs made up. Okay, friends, there is the chili dogs, the chili dog sauce. Me and my sissy are going to split one here. And here's the hot dog sauce. And it's delicious and make you up a bunch, and it freezes well, make you up a bunch of hot dogs. You're going to have a cookout or just for supper. You know, thousands, millions of people love hot dogs. Rocky, this is yours with the onions.
No.
She don't like onions. Go ahead and grab your hot dog there, sister. We're having some tater tots with ours. There's that
That's good.
chili sauce on there, that hot dog sauce. Let me get you some of those tots, sis. Here's I just wanted to put it all on one plate. Here's your plate, sis. You want to put, I need a bite. Oh, that's good. That hit the spot right there.
Really good.
Tater tots cooked up crispy in that air fryer. I just threw those tater tots right in the air fryer, fried me a few hot dogs up. But there it is, y'all. If you're new to the channel, I welcome you. I hope you give that a try. Please like and subscribe and share. It's truly appreciated. The store tab is below if you see anything you may like. That's about it. There was something I wanted to tell them. I don't remember what it was. I told them about the salt. I guess that's it. And Curtis is doing well. I want to try to drop a picture of him in the community post for y'all in his blues. He looks so good, but he's doing great. Talk to him every day, FaceTime, and he's doing great. Slow down with that hot dog, Rock.
It's good.
I'm trying not to talk with my mouth full, y'all. I apologize. But until next time, you guys try you some of that hot dog sauce up. It's really good. Until then, love one another, eat well, take care of one another, and we will see y'all later. Bye-bye.